ever pondered what spurred the French Revolution and how it reshaped global history? As the late 18th century unfolded, France was a tinderbox of social, economic, and political discontent. The ancien régime, with its absolute monarchy and rigid social hierarchy, was increasingly untenable. The state coffers were drained due to financial mismanagement, costly wars, and extravagant court expenditures. These conditions set the stage for a revolution that would change the world. The year 1789 was a pivotal one, as the need for economic reform led to the convening of the Estates General. This assembly, however, was soon disrupted by the Third Estate, the commoners, who were fed up with a voting system that favored the privileged. Breaking away, they formed the National Assembly, and on a day that would echo through history, June 20th, they took the tennis court oath, vowing to remain united until a constitution was established. This breakaway group was instrumental in driving the revolution forward. The Bastille, a symbol of royal tyranny, fell to the people of Paris on July 14, 1789, sparking the revolutionary spirit. Fueled by economic hardship and a desire for political change, the people stormed the Bastille, turning this symbol of oppression into a beacon of hope. This monumental event became a rallying cry for the revolution, imbuing the National Assembly with fresh momentum and spreading the revolutionary spirit like wildfire. Continuing their drive for change, the National Assembly, now known as the National Constituent Assembly, adopted the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen later that year. This groundbreaking document asserted the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Echoing the Enlightenment's call for individual rights and constitutional governance, it became a cornerstone of the revolutionary ideals. This was a period of radical change, with the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity at its core. With the execution of King Louis XVI in 1793, the French monarchy was officially abolished. This marked a pivotal moment in the French Revolution. The king's head, once adorned with a crown, now fell under the blade of the guillotine, symbolizing the end of centuries-old monarchical rule and the dawn of a republican era. This radical phase of the revolution was characterized by the Reign of Terror, a period of intense political purge. Thousands deemed enemies of the revolution met their end at the guillotine. Among them was Maximilien Robespierre, a leading figure whose downfall marked the end of the Reign of Terror. In the midst of this chaos, a new form of government emerged in 1795, the Directory. This five-man executive body was an attempt to stabilize the revolutionary government and steer France away from the brink of collapse. However, it too faced challenges, setting the stage for the rise of a new political order. The French Revolution was a period of profound change, marked by political turmoil, social upheaval, and the rise of new forms of government.